How to create pop-ups in Squarespace. To do that, head over right here first to your dashboard and scroll down and go right here to the marketing. So from in there, you can scroll down from your marketing resources and here you can see this add the promotional pop-up to your site. So click on this right here and then this will direct you for this pop-up overlay for your own Squarespace website. So just wait for this to load. So you can choose right here the actual design or layout of your pop-up. You can change your layout right here. You can choose which one you want to use. For example, let's select this one and then it will actually look like this now. Now let's save that. And then let's head back right here to our promotional pop-up settings. And you can click on this display pop-up in order to turn this on for your own website. So you can edit out the action, the content, display and timing, image, and style that it has. So that's how you create pop-ups in Squarespace. Hope we helped.